brush to groom him, and you're gonna stay in here. Carlos, no, Carlos, you stay in the sink. No! You stay in there. Apparently he doesn't like the bath. A little bit of this, and then do this, and then start, I think, yeah, like this. You're gonna get me wet, Carlos. Ow, ow, cut your claws. Okay, that's good for you, Carlos. Yep. Why don't you like the water? Why? Alright, look at him. He's so, ow. Don't do that, please. Oh, yay, he unlatched. So we got him all, like, shampooed up. You do not want to get, Now what is that? Oh well. So now I guess we have to like rinse this stuff off. Oh, don't get it in your eyes, Carlos. Never